This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Air filter replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Raise the hood upwards. Release the strap retaining latches. Separate the cover halves and remove the air filter holder along with the element. Pull the element off of the holder, then inspect the holder, making sure it is not cracked and free of debris. Also wipe or vacuum out the air filter housing. Insert the new element into the holder. Install the filter assembly completely into the housing, then secure it with the retaining latches.